Good, you got it. That's what I heard. Now, come in. What you got? You must be cool. Connect you. Put down a brass tack on that. If I was informed correctly, the clock is ticking. Is that right, Jimmy?